Y'all not gonna know what to do when y'all see
Do you
this
have a
cheek.
flat booty? Show your butt. Do you have a flat booty or fat booty?
What you say?
I said, show your butt. Do you have a fat
Oh,
booty or
my
flat booty?
butt is old. Nah, you bugging. You show your
I
butt.
don't mean
That shit
cheeks.
got it,
I
boo.
don't mean cheeks and everything. I mean just like stand up and like
I'm not showing these niggas my
go
cheeks, man.
go like this and like kind of like pull your shorts or like
Uh,
whatever you have on, so like you can like
Bro,
don't pull it
you
down.
wanna
I
see
said no,
my
don't
whole
pull it down.
ass? She
Don't pull
said,
it
pull your shit to
down.
the side, nigga. See your butthole, nigga.
No. I mean like press it your clothes up against your skin so that you can see how big your butt is through your
Bro, my
clothes.
shit fat. That's all you need to know is my shit fat. Imagine it. Visualize it. Don't see it. Just visualize it. Think about it in your head. Think about how
This
fat my big black butt is. Shit tough.